In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on OneDrive by transferring files to computer 5 minutes. If your OneDrive is filling up, the quickest win is to make sure you're only keeping what you truly need locally and moving bulky files off the cloud when you're done with them. Start by going to the OneDrive app in your taskbar. Right-click the cloud icon to open its menu, then click the gear icon and choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Sync and Backup tab, open Advanced Settings, and turn on Files on Demand. This feature keeps lightweight placeholders on your PC and only downloads files when you open them, which saves a lot of disk space. Now open File Explorer and navigate to your OneDrive folder. Here's the key. Files with a solid green check are stored locally and in the cloud. A white cloud or a white cloud with a green check means they're available online only or temporarily cached. To reclaim space without deleting anything from OneDrive, right-click any file or folder with a green check and choose Free Up Space. Windows will remove the local copy and switch it to an online-only placeholder. You'll still see the file in OneDrive, and you can download it again anytime by opening it. If you know a file is no longer needed at all, delete it to remove it from OneDrive. This is permanent for your cloud storage once you empty the OneDrive recycle bin, but it's an effective way to clear space. Be sure you truly don't need those files before you proceed. To transfer files off OneDrive and onto your computer or an external drive, create a new folder on your D drive or on a connected external drive. Then in your OneDrive folder, select the files or folders you want to move. Use copy if you want to keep a version on OneDrive for now, or cut if you're relocating them entirely. Paste them into your new folder. Wait for the transfer to finish, then open a few files in the new location to confirm they work. Back in your OneDrive folder, delete the original copies you just moved. Finally, open the OneDrive recycle bin and empty it to permanently remove those items and reclaim your cloud space. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have enough local or external storage before moving big files. Keep your internet connection stable while OneDrive updates, and use free up space for items you still want in the cloud but don't need downloaded locally.